Okay, so obviously we are on my end of Google Classroom, so on your end it's probably going to look a little different, but on my end, and I assigned this accidentally to you guys much earlier than I would have wanted to. I was supposed to assign it to be scheduled for tomorrow, but it's not scheduled. Clearly, I accidentally posted it at 9 p.m., but that's okay. We have a new WordWork website that I wanted to test out with you. It's actually all games. So if you watch this video, you'll know exactly what you need to do today because I am not expecting you to do this whole website in one day. It would be absolutely absurd. It would take you forever. So if we click on this, this is where you go to, which looks way overwhelming. Way too much going on here. You're going to go to Unit 1. Unit 1. So make sure when you click, you are on Unit 1. All right? Unit 1 is the key word. Because if you go to Unit 2, it looks exactly the same. Unit 3 looks exactly the same. But they're not the same because they have different words. So click Unit 1, make sure you're on Unit 1. It should say Unit 1 at the top. Now, we have our words. That's the first thing you're going to go to because if you don't know the words, you won't know how to answer the questions. Celebrity. And the cool thing about this is it reads it right to you. If you click that button, it'll read you this whole thing, it'll read you this whole thing, and you can do that for every single one. And if you want to just click next, you can do the same thing. And look at that, a picture that shows you exactly what the word means. Same thing here. Same thing here. And for each one, and I'm sure a bunch of you right now are listening to me and you're feeling this way, drowsy, because you didn't get enough sleep last night, but this is exactly what you're going to be looking at. When you're done, you scroll up and you click the back button. Now this again looks overwhelming. Skip everything and go straight to this. This says concentration synonyms. Synonyms are like you have the one word and then it means the same thing. An antonym means the opposite. You don't want to do antonyms first because it means the opposite, so it might confuse you. Do synonyms. It means the same thing. Two words that mean the same thing. I'm going to click it and take a look at how cool this is. This is a matching game. It's frustrating at first and it will take you more than 30 seconds, I can tell you that. You click this one box, demonstrate, and all these boxes underneath, each one of these cards, if you've ever played Memory before, that was like my favorite game as a kid. Under one of these is another word for demonstrate. I got it wrong. It's going to turn them back over. Now I know demonstrate is here and humble is here. Drowsy. Not embarrass. That's not it. Stampede. No. Proper. Nope. Now remember, if you're trying to copy off of mine to get them right, they actually make a different one each time. You see how it says play again? They shuffle the words, just to let you know. So this takes you a little while. A fight. Drowsy. And even for me, this is a little tough. But the more you get, the better off you are. The problem is, I was talking, so I wasn't paying attention. And now I don't know. Ooh, sluggish. Wasn't drowsy right here? No. Oh, there's drowsy, see? So now drowsy and sluggish. Woo, ding, 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 I got it right. Okay, now I just got to do that again. And you got to do it for each one of them. Again, it's kind of annoying at first because you just keep getting the over and over. But once you get one, you kind of get your groove going. Again, I wasn't paying attention, so yeah, that sounds about right. If any of you were paying attention, you could probably help me with this demonstration right now. But you kind of get the point. I'm actually having a pretty good time with this. I enjoy a little bit of a maybe no. Okay. Well, I thought that meant something else. But anyway. Oh, I thought that was council. Oh, look, wait. There we go. See, I got another one. Notice that it's taken me now 2 minutes, about a minute for each match. Don't worry about how long it takes you. It's a game that will help you. Eventually, you're kind of going to get the synonyms. That means match the ones that mean the same: drowsy and sluggish, counsel and advice. All right, and when you're done, there's nothing to submit. You play the game, you have a good time, and then you're done. And look, it even has a little game player right here. So I think you guys are going to enjoy this. And look, if you're really confused, directions are right here. I can't get the directions to work on mine. It also does audio at the bottom. So whatever you need help with, let me know, but I think you guys are going to really enjoy it. And remember, here's a little recap. Unit 1, scroll down. You do the words first. Go over the words once or twice. Go back. Synonyms, not antonyms. It's the third one down. Synonyms. Play the game. See? And again, they're different. So, again, if you have any questions, let me know and have a good time. Please remember to click Unit 1. Bye, guys.